In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a dashboard UI in Figma. Analytics design, Figma tutorial, flights. Dashboard design. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can go from a blank browser to a polished analytics dashboard in just a few steps. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, look along the top navigation and click on Community. This is where creators share templates, UI kits, and resources you can duplicate and customize. In the community search bar, type Power BI or try keywords like dashboard, analytics, or flights. You'll see a range of templates. Pick one that aligns with the structure you want, such as a clean card-based layout or a template with charts and tables ready to go. Click into a template to preview it. Take a moment to scroll through the pages and layers so you understand what's included. If it looks like a good fit, click Open in Figma. This duplicates the file into your drafts so you can edit it freely. Now it's time to make it yours. Start with typography. Select any text layer and swap the font to match your brand or project. If the template uses text styles, update the style once and it will cascade across the dashboard. Keep a clear hierarchy. Larger, bolder headings for page titles, medium weights for section headers, and smaller, high-contrast text for labels and values. Next, refine colors. Open the color picker and apply your brand palette for backgrounds, cards, and accents. If the template includes color styles, change them at the source so every element updates consistently. For analytics, use color intentionally. Neutrals for most content, a standout accent for highlights, and semantic colors for statuses like on time, delayed, or cancelled. Replace placeholder text with your actual flight metrics, things like total flights today, on-time percentage, average delay, top routes, and hub performance. Edit chart labels and legends so they match your data. If the template uses components for cards or widgets, modify the main component to update all instances at once and keep everything consistent. As you customize, keep spacing tight and alignment consistent. Many templates use auto layout, so resizing elements will preserve padding and distribution automatically. If you see grids or layout columns, use them to keep charts and tables neatly aligned. Rename layers and frames so your file stays organized. Finally, review at 100% zoom to check readability and contrast, ensuring key numbers are instantly scannable. When you're happy with the look, you've got a clean, branded flights analytics dashboard ready to share or iterate.